Hello friends, I am BM. This video I will show you how to fix Acer Veriton problem. Now I am power on PC. Now you see here no signal shown. Wait for okay. Acer explore beyond limits. Now check here error shown on. Error is CMOS setting wrong. Okay. Now press delete button to enter BIOS setting, CMOS setting. Now check here in this PC time is not correct, also date is not correct. Restart PC or power off PC, open PC and check here. This is our all-in-one PC. Remove this CMOS battery from motherboard. After this, check this battery voltage is proper or not. Now IOC voltage is not showing. Okay. Now I am taking a new Duracell CR2032 battery. Check this battery voltage is perfect. Okay. Now insert this battery on motherboard. Okay. After this, refix back panel and check. Okay. Press power button. Oh, sorry. Power button is not properly pressed. Press once again. Okay. Now you see on the screen Acer Veriton PC is powering on. Now check on display. Okay. After this, error is shown on screen. Go to setting and set date and time. Set time. After this, save changes and exit. Click on yes. Okay. Now you see system is now loading Windows. Okay. Now this is user login screen. Now this is desktop. Okay. Problem is fixed. Thank you for watching.